Today we're looking at the linear bearing life calculator, which determines how long your linear bearing will last under specific operating conditions. Let's walk through the three input fields. First is dynamic rating C in newtons. This is the bearing's load capacity rating from the manufacturer's datasheet. Enter this value in the dynamic rating field. Next is applied load P in newtons, the actual force your bearing will experience during operation. Enter this in the applied load field. Third is travel distance per cycle in millimeters, how far the bearing moves in one complete cycle of operation. Enter this in the travel distance field. For our example, let's use a dynamic rating of 5,000 newtons, an applied load of 1,200 newtons, and a travel distance per cycle of 300 millimeters. Click Calculate Bearing Life. The calculator will show you the bearing's expected life. This represents how many cycles or how much total distance the bearing can travel before needing replacement. These results help you plan maintenance schedules and determine if your selected bearing meets your application's lifetime requirements. This calculator saves hours of manual calculations for your linear motion designs. Find the link in the description below.